Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is badge, sticker, tag, ribbon, label and many more. Okay, total file is 1440 in PNG, and here is a PSD, but these files are protected. Password in this app: go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. All password in this app. Okay, so here is PNG and here is a PSD. You see here shields, arrow, sticker. Here is a ribbon, here is badge, sticker, label, and here is many other files. Okay, same thing is here in PNG. You can use as in CorelDRAW or in Adobe Illustrator, anywhere. And here is just for Photoshop. For example, I open this one, reading Photoshop or wait. Okay, you see full high definition file. You can write anything. Here is a big size and here is low. You can change anything. For example, you can change color or depend your own choice. You see ours it is down. Okay, here is font. You can write your own text. Okay, free download, and here is arrow. Next is sale, label, and here is shield. Limited offer order. Okay, wow. You can make a school badge. Okay, no. And next is here is a ribbon. You can make more better your banner or your poster. You can apply this one. You see here, wow, amazing. You can change color. You can apply current trends over there. Here's B, no, and here is a badge sticker. Wow, label. These files are fully editable. I hope this data is useful for you. Download this app for password. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.